Welcome to the video tutorial section for eHRAF Archaeology. I'm Elisa Jordan, and I'll be your guide. In this video, you will learn how to conduct a basic keyword search in eHRAF Archaeology, including filtering and understanding search results. Basic search attempts to match any terms that you enter against the traditions and subject thesauri used by eHRAF in order to automatically display the most relevant result. The work of finding and matching terms is done behind the scenes. If you prefer to select from lists of traditions and subjects, or if you wish to exclude certain keywords, try advanced search. First, it's important to remember a few do's and don'ts for keyword searches. Let's start with the do's. Check the box to the right of the search box if you want to search for the exact keywords, but not for subject categories. To search for an exact phrase, do put the phrase in quotation marks. To use a wildcard, use an asterisk. You can place it at the end of the character string if you want to search for other word forms containing those characters. If you know the 3 to 4 digit OCM identifier, you can also enter it here, and reserve more complex searches for advanced search. And for the don'ts. Don't use hyphens, and don't use wildcards with short and common text strings that are often prefixes for unrelated words. For example, don't use a wildcard after words like art, which can return results for artifact, arthritis, and other diverse keywords not related to your topic of interest. Simply search the word art or arts instead. For the basic search, I will use an example of a cross-cultural research project on the ritual use of hallucinogens. Let's say I'm primarily interested in the ritual use of hallucinogens, but also curious about what eHRAF Archaeology has on hallucinogens more broadly. I'll type hallucin asterisk into the search box, and that covers both hallucinate and hallucinogen, as well as the plural. Now we arrive at the region and tradition results page. Let's let it load and sort for a moment. You will see finished at the top, followed by a summary of the total number of results. Beneath the tally, you can find a link to show or hide a detailed view of your search query. Next, you will find an expandable menu for filtering search results by subsistence type and sample if you so choose. We're going to talk about how to filter in more detail in the next segment. Now we reach search results organized by world regions, leaving out the regions which don't have traditions matching your criteria. Each region has a tally of search results next to the name, and you can expand the region by clicking the arrow to see tradition results in detail. When you click on it, a table will expand beneath the region header, which shows results according to tradition name and subregion. You will also see the tradition subsistence type, OWC identifier, relevant sample if applicable, and a tally of your search results. You can sort these tables by clicking on any of the column headers. If you're ready to look at these results in more detail, you would just click here to go straight to the documents and paragraphs that match your search terms. First, however, I'm going to pause and tell you what filtering is and how it can help you. To filter results by subsistence and sample type, we turn to this link at the top, Narrow Results by Subsistence Type and Sample. The subsistence types for the traditions represented in eHRAF Archaeology have already been determined and organized into the following categories: hunter-gatherers to food producers, horticulture to intensive agriculture, hunter-gatherers, primarily hunter-gatherers, pastoralists, horticulturalists, intensive agriculturalists, agro-pastoralists, and other subsistence combinations. See subsistence types tutorials in eHRAF for more information. The sample available in eHRAF Archaeology is the simple random sample. To narrow your results by subsistence and sample type, check the boxes next to the subsistence and sample type that you want to include. The search results below will be automatically filtered to match your criteria. You can also hover your mouse pointer over the labels in eHRAF to read the subsistence and sample type descriptions. That's it for the basic search tutorial for eHRAF Archaeology. For information on how to navigate the full context view of search results, as well as print and email search results, check out the full context view of search results tutorial for eHRAF Archaeology. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Check out our other tutorials and stay in the loop or contact us by checking out our homepage and linking up with us on Facebook and Twitter.